Discover mind-blowing construction techniques from around the world. What you see in this video completely turns traditional construction methods on their head. A unique modular arch bridge in Ireland uses precast concrete blocks called voussoirs, connected with flexible layers for easy transport and on-site assembly. Once backfilled, the arch bears loads up to 74 tons across spans of 16, 49 feet and heights up to 10-foot. Blocks reach 50 MPa strength, ensuring durability. Quick setup avoids complex supports, but proper ground, backfill, and lifting gear are essential. Limited data exists on seismic and dynamic performance, making careful planning necessary. In Canada, a massive concrete building was assembled at surprising speed using the tilt-up construction method. The structure was formed from 25 concrete wall panels cast directly on the site floor. Each panel included steel reinforcement, lifting points, and door or window openings before curing. The tallest panel reached 28 feet and the heaviest weighed around 73,500 pounds. Once ready, cranes lifted the panels into place and temporary braces held them until the roof was installed. Insulated sandwich panels improved thermal performance while maintaining strength against wind and seismic forces. Poland is advancing construction with modular buildings made from prefabricated units built in factories and transported to sites. Modules connect side by side or stack to form homes, offices, or apartments, often completing up to 95% of the work before delivery. This approach speeds construction by 70%, integrates plumbing, electrical, and climate systems, and can include solar panels or smart controls. Challenges include transport logistics and cost for large modules, but efficiency gains are significant. In Italy, engineers are creating smarter foundations by building a controlled void beneath concrete slabs instead of filling the ground completely. This modular formwork system uses recycled plastic base plates, vertical pipes, and locking top modules to form a grid before concrete is poured. Once cured, the slab rests on the supports while the space below remains open, allowing ventilation and routing for utilities. The air gap reduces moisture and soil gas buildup and insulates the slab from damp ground. While easy to install by hand, the system requires precise design and can cost more than traditional solid slabs. A powerful 8-meter electric hoist speeds up construction by lifting materials like roof tiles, bricks, and tools to higher levels. It can move 1,000 roof tiles in just 25 minutes, reaching up to 23 feet using a 110V motor and belt system. Each load maxes at 44 pounds, and the system works both ways for easy material transport. Controlled via handheld remote, it reduces worker trips and effort, though noise exceeds 75 decibels, so ear protection is recommended. Setup requires secure positioning and proper angle adjustment. Czech Republic showcases an innovative arched steel building method using curved steel ribs that form both structure and exterior. These arches can be extended indefinitely by adding sections, and their weight spreads evenly, simplifying foundations. Steel ribs are shaped with forming machines, lifted, and connected, while straight pieces handle doors and windows. Quick to assemble, insulated, cost-effective, and low maintenance, K-span buildings still require skilled labor, careful assembly, and caution for extreme weather or unusual site conditions. Across the U.S., a high-output machine efficiently produces round concrete pipes from 8 to 84 inches in diameter and up to 12 feet long. Using a directional roller head, it ensures consistent compaction and smooth surfaces. Advanced drivetrain, independent top table, and automation features boost speed and accuracy. Continuous material flow is maintained via air vibrators and sensors. Setup requires a solid foundation, correct tooling, and power, making careful planning essential for optimal production. Germany showcases tunnel boring machines, advanced equipment that excavates soil and rock while building tunnel linings simultaneously. On the high-speed rail project from London to the West Midlands, machines like Florence and Cecilia span 558 feet and weigh 2,200 tons. Their 33-foot cutter heads, powered by 5,000 horsepower motors, handle chalk and flint efficiently. Spoil is removed via conveyors, and precast concrete rings form the tunnel lining. Advancing 50-foot day, these TBMs improve safety, reduce timelines, and limit surface disruption. From India, we explore a robotic bricklaying machine that moves through building floors, placing blocks up to 24 in with minimal human input at 10 times the speed of traditional masonry. Guided by digital building plans, it applies mortar, positions blocks, and tracks progress for material planning and quality control. While non-standard tasks still need manual work, this system improves efficiency, supports teams with limited labor, and adapts to standard layouts, though complex sites may reduce its cost-effectiveness. In Austria, engineers use slip-form construction to create tall concrete structures by continuously moving molds upward as concrete is poured. Aluminum panels with stainless steel surfaces ensure precision, forming uninterrupted walls like lift shafts or stair enclosures. Hydraulic jacks gradually lift the forms while workers access reinforcing steel and finishes. This method reduces construction time, allows embedded openings, and produces uniform, joint-free surfaces for improved long-term structural performance. Germany employs jet grouting, a technique to strengthen underground soil by mixing it with cement-based grout using high-pressure jets. This forms in-place columns with controlled strength and low permeability, ideal for structural support or water barriers. Columns can reach 131 feet deep, 10 feet wide, and withstand 290, 1,500 psi. The drill injects grout while rotating, improving soil without excavation. Used for foundations, tunnels, and barriers, jet grouting ensures precise soil performance in challenging conditions. In the UK, engineers are using fiber-reinforced concrete, which mixes tiny synthetic or steel fibers into the concrete to control cracking and improve durability. Fibers are evenly distributed, becoming active when cracks form, while steel fibers offer higher tensile strength than synthetic ones. Dosages vary depending on load requirements, from 67 pounds per cubic yard. Though fibers enhance performance, surface protrusions may require extra finishing, and steel fibers in marine environments risk corrosion over time. In Portland, an AR platform lets construction teams see full-scale 3D models directly on-site. Models from standard design software are converted for AR headsets or mobile devices, overlaid on the real environment. Users can walk through the site, toggle layers like plumbing or electrical, and capture notes, photos, and observations linked to specific locations. The system works offline, aligns easily with markers, and improves inspection, coordination, and planning efficiency. In China, a prefabricated steel structure serves as a large industrial hangar, spanning 195 feet long, 64 feet wide, and 28 feet high. It covers 12,735 square feet using 92,000 pounds of structural steel, designed to resist winds up to 89 miles per hour and earthquakes up to magnitude 7. Factory-made steel components are bolted together on-site, creating open interiors without columns. Roof and wall panels vary from corrugated steel to insulated sandwich types. Fast assembly, clear spans, and durability make it ideal for aviation, manufacturing, and In the Netherlands, innovative self-healing concrete can repair small cracks automatically. Its mix contains bacteria, spores, nutrients, and a mineral carrier that activate when cracks let in air and water. The bacteria produce calcium carbonate, sealing cracks up to 1 millimeter wide. Available as an additive, repair mortar, or liquid injection, it works in walls, floors, and foundations. This reduces maintenance, extends durability, and may even allow less steel reinforcement while keeping structures safe.